What's up, guys? Remember me? Yeah, I'm the guy that made a video about a year or so ago on AMC telling you that there was resistance at 11, and I got some pretty crazy comments telling me that I had paper doo-doo hands and things like that, where are my diamond hands, and even some threats and things like that. But back with another video here, I would just want to caution and kind of give you guys something else to look at. So let's go ahead and get into it.
Get that money and stay turning. Don't go me lucky. No, it's not always sunny. Moves get bloody. Go hard or go home.
All right, guys, welcome back. My name is Cruz. I am the founder and head trader of NewEdgeWallStreet.com. We trade primarily options. We do trade some crypto and small caps and things like that from time to time. And we are going to be talking about AMC a little bit. There is some news that is out that they are offering a new type of instrument to be able to be traded. The CEO is kind of off the hinges, just basically pumping this stock up. And I want you guys just to be aware of what's going on and maybe the option thing. If you're not fully educated on the options, you're just kind of going full ape on this, thinking that it's going to go to 4,000 or whatever it is, right? So you see that it's up. We're going to get the mother of all short squeezes, and you better get in or you're going to miss out like you did on GameStop or HKD last week, or whatever it is, right? So what we're going to do is, this is a pretty nice little run up and a pretty nice little setup, if I'm not being 100% honest. So if we come to the daily time frame right here, we have this really nice little bottoming pattern right here. You can see where the TTM is showing a lack of volatility. We get our cross, and then the buy point was down here at about $11, $11.90, which was the previous, where you guys got really upset with me. Go watch that video, by the way. It's in my favorites tab, the popular tab on my channel. You guys got upset with me saying that it was gonna go way further than that, and I was an idiot and all that stuff. Now that old resistance is acting as support, and we came back up, right? Now this is exactly what I want to actually talk about right here, is this little cup and then handle type pattern right here, right? So if we come to this hourly chart, you can see where they have this big cup, right? And then we had this handle down where we came back and tested the breakout point because of earnings. So we did go ahead and go down a little bit from earnings, and then since then, from the session on Friday, I believe, we've done nothing but go up. Now, want to just play devil's advocate a little bit here and try to keep you guys safe, give you something else to look at, right? So the options market is exactly why this ran the first time. So part of it is the short squeeze, and I know you guys, man, tinfoil cap on, right? You guys are gonna say that there's synthetic shares out there, all this crazy stuff, but the fact of the matter is you caught a bunch of shorts off guard with their pants down, and in order to be able to have a short squeeze, you need three elements: surprise, organic buying, delta hedging to the upside, and then also shorts covering to go ahead and provide more liquidity and more volume, right? So you lost the element of surprise. There is no surprise here. Anyone that is short in this knows the type of people that they're up against and knows the levels where they need to keep the price lower on this time frame, right? So you lost the element of surprise, and you have not caused anyone max pain on the option side as of yet. And that's where I want to come over here to our option chain. Yeah, I have AMC up, and if I come over here to the at the money calls for this week, we have right here the 25, right? So right there is 16,000 contracts that are open at the 25. Now, it's a lot to be said, and the way that this works of the options open interest is that the call writers, right, those are the people that you surprised the first time that it went up and caught them off guard, and they would have to move their option contracts even further up so that they don't get assigned those contracts, and that's why you're able to squeeze so hard the last time, right? Now, again, you lost that element of surprise, so now we know that this is the level where all the interest is at the 25. So you have up until Friday in order to get the stock above 25 as far as possible and keep it above 25. So this is your level of interest. This is your area of inflection, I should say. So everyone that sold these contracts, they make money off of the theta as long as the price stays under $25. It doesn't matter if it's a penny. It doesn't matter if it's $5. Under $25, they make money off of the theta and the premium going down. So they will do everything that needs to be done in order to make sure that that does not happen and the price does not stay over $25 by the end of the week on Friday. Now, That's not to say that you won't get a little pops up like this, right? Anytime that you get these little pops up here on the stock 27, right, 26, these are all getting sold into. So you will maybe get a little bit of a pop up but by the end of the week on Friday, I will bet you that it will close under $25. Now, something that I do want to show you from Spot Gamma, they do a lot of analysis on options. So this is what it looks like from them on what actually ended up happening. So every time that the ticker got above $25, you could see here the call selling started coming in very aggressively at that time. So, and you could see as it went on that the orange line here is whenever the calls get sold very, very aggressively. So take this information for what you will here, guys. I'm just gonna, please do not shoot the messenger. I'm just trying to go ahead and keep you guys safe. You can take a position on this and maybe make it a little bit longer position if you're taking equity. If you're taking puts, do not think that it's going probably to 30 this week. They will try to do everything they can to make sure that it stays under 25 this week. All right. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe for more videos here, guys. Leave me some more hateful comments. I don't care. We'll see you guys in the next video. All right.
Go home. Every day since